Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change language of notifications and the voice guides on the Sony LinkBuds. Okay, so first of all we have to open the Sony headphones application. Next, tap to close. And we have to switch to the system tab. So click right here. Then just scroll down, and as you can see in this place we are able to change language of notifications. For example, we can switch for German. Click done. And as you can see, that's the information that it's transferring the German voice data to headphones. It may take about 20 minutes. We have to close. The right on it of the headphones is not connected to the mobile device. Okay, that's weird actually, because when you go back, as you can see everything's fine and they are connected. So honestly I don't know what is going on with this notification, but let's try to make it one more time. Let's click OK. Okay, and as you can see, that's some kind of the bug. We have to charge for 100% this case, and also our earbuds. In the other Sony headphones, it's not working like that. You have to get at least 50%, but right here we have to get the 100%. So we have to remember to charge them before trying to change this notifications language. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.